Say Java programming fundamentals and OOPS concepts. Java fundamentals, Java programming fundamentals and OOPS concepts for our Selenium testing. Okay. Say in this module, so far we discussed first one, Java environment setup, Java environment setup, and write first Java program. Next, first chapter, just a minute. Comments in Java. Next, Java data types. Next, Java modifiers. Next, Madhavi, next.
Variables.
Java variables.
Operators.
Just a minute. Variables in Java. Next, operators in Java. Operators in Java.
Conditional statements.
Sixth chapter, just introduction. What is that one? Under flow control statements, Java conditional statements. See, Java conditional statements. See, under Java conditional statements, first types of statements, general topic, types of conditional statements. See, two types of conditional statements. What are they, Swapna? Two types of conditional statements in Java.
If statement and switch statement.
Yes, if statement. Next, switch statement. In VB script, if statement select case statement. In C language, if statement switch case statement. In Java, if statement switch statement. Next, types of conditions. Varma, types of conditions.
Single condition, compound condition, and nested condition.
Good. Single condition. Example, if A greater than B, if A greater than B, open curly braces, statements, next you can write else part also. Next, compound condition. Compound condition. See example. If A greater than B and operator, or you can use or operator. A greater than C, open curly braces, statements. Next, nested condition. Nested condition. Say, if A greater than B, if A greater than B, open and close curly braces. Next, if A greater than C, next, if A greater than D, statements, you can write else part also. Okay. Same. Types of statements, types of conditions, types of statements, types of statements. Next, usage of, just a minute. Usage of conditional statements in Selenium test automation. Usage of conditional statements in Selenium test automation. Say, to insert verification points. Next, for error handling. Okay. Next, practical concept. Fourth one, usage of conditional statements. Usage of conditional statements. See, we have two statements, 6 type of usage. See, first one, see, execute a block of statements when condition is true. Execute a block of statements when condition is true. One way condition, no else part. See, execute a block of statements when condition is true. See, one way condition, no else part. Can you tell me the syntax, Nehal?
Sir, if
Ah,
and condition,
if condition,
open curly braces and statements and close curly braces.
good, open curly braces Statements. Every statement should end with semicolon. That is Java syntax rule. Close curly braces. For block of code, this is code block, condition block. For block of code, we use curly braces. For normal statements, we use a semicolon. Every statement should end with semicolon. Okay. Example. Just a minute. Launch Eclipse. You no need to install Eclipse. Say create a class. Say hierarchy, package, project, package, class. Class nothing but program. Say condition examples. Say declare variables. First main method, public, static, void. Observe, Swapna, what is this public keyword? Madhavi,
Sir, public is a modifier.
access modifier.
Yeah.
Next, what is static? What is static, Snehal?
Without invoking an object, we can use
Okay.
this method.
Non-access modifier na static.
Yes.
It is non-access. Keyword is non-access modifier. Functionality is without invoking any object, we can use the method. What is void, Shalini? What is void?
It will not return any value.
Yes. Nothing. Return value, nothing. Main is method name, that is built-in method. String is array. Okay. Next, declare variables. Suppose int a, comma b. A equal to 10, b equal to 5. Next, write condition. If a greater than b, open curly braces. Next, display statement. Say message. A is a big number. A is a big number. It is showing. Okay. Next, what is the output, Sindhu? What is the output? Observe input and observe the condition.
Big number.
A is a big number. Run the program. A is a big number. Okay. Next, A is 10, B is 50. Now what is the output? Madhavi, what is the output?
A is not a big number.
Where is that message? Nothing. Output nothing.
Okay.
See here, one-way condition. No else
Okay.
part. If condition is true, execute statements. If condition is false, don't do anything. Okay, na? Any confusion? See, one-way condition. One-way condition. Snehal, one-way condition, positive condition. It is positive condition. I want same output. Suppose 10, 5. Output is expected output is A is a big number. I want same output, but I want to use negative condition. This is positive condition. Use negative condition. Single condition, negative condition. Snehal.
If A is less than B?
Okay, A is less than B. That is also okay. But you can use a not operator na. Logical negation.
Yes.
How to use? I think Madhavi can answer it. Madhavi?
No.
Exclamatory. And another exclamatory.
Enough. See, just a minute. Put mute. Run the script. Run the program. Observe same output na Snehal. Shalini, did you observe same output na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is negative condition na. Earlier I used positive condition, single condition. This time negative, single condition. If not B greater than A means A greater than B. Any confusion, Swapna?
No, sir, I'm good.
Varma?
Yeah, fine, sir.
Okay,
Got
cool.
it.
Okay, cool. See, this is negative condition. See, one way negative condition. See, based on your convenience, your requirement, you can use conditions, positive or negative. Sometimes negative conditions simple, sometimes positive conditions simple. This is one way positive condition. Positive condition. Next, see, this is first usage. Next, second usage. Execute a block of statements when condition is true. Otherwise, execute another block of statements. See here, two blocks. Any one block execution is mandatory. See, execute a block of statements when condition is true. Otherwise, execute another block of statements. Say when condition is false. Okay. Syntax. Varma, guess the syntax. Tell me the syntax.
If
Small letters.
open bracket condition
Condition
open curly braces
open curly braces.
statements
Good. Statements.
close curly braces.
Yes. Close curly braces.
Then else
Else.
open curly braces
Good.
and statements
Statements.
close curly braces.
Good. Here two blocks of code. If condition is true, it will execute first part. If condition is false, it will execute else part. Example. Say else. The same line you can open curly braces or the next line also. SYSO control space message within double quotes. B is a big number. B is a big number. Now, as per our just a minute. A greater than B. As per our input, expected output is A is a big number. Run the program. A is a big number. Next, suppose A 10, B 50. Expected output, B is a big number. Run. B is a big number. Next, observe Madhavi. A is 10, B is 10. What is the output? Shalini. A is 10, B is 10. What is the output?
Nothing will come, sir, because both
Nothing.
nothing will come.
No. What I told. Any one block execution is mandatory.
Then like A is a big number.
No. A is a big number.
Yes, sir.
Snehal, what is the output?
So B is a big number.
B is a big number. Say B is a big number. Why? First check the condition. A is greater than B? No. Blindly it will execute else part. If condition is false, blindly it will execute else part. Else part correct or not, that is secondary. Blindly it will execute else part. Okay, na Shalini, any confusion?
No, sir. I'm good.
Just a minute. Okay, in this language it is not accepting. Okay. Can't compare strings using condition. In VB script you can compare. Okay. Still it is showing. Okay. Next, another usage. Third one. Execute a block of statements when a compound condition is true. Execute a block of statements when a compound condition is true. Syntax. Tell me the syntax, Swapna. Guess the syntax.
So it's nested if.
Not nested if. Compound condition is not nested.
Which
In nested condition, every condition is independent condition. Compound conditions combined. Okay. Madhavi. Snehal.
Sir, if open brackets, condition 1. So open bracket again and condition 1.
One more bracket. See. Condition 1.
Close the bracket.
And
double ampersand.
And or.
And condition 2.
Just a minute. Not only and operator. You can use or operator also, na?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Open bracket condition 2.
Condition 2.
Close bracket. Open curly braces.
Statements.
Close curly braces.
Here also you can write else part optional. Okay. Example. A comma B comma C equal to 5. Say first condition, A greater than B and A greater than C. If A greater than B and A greater than C, then display A is a big number. Run. A is a big number. Suppose C is 15. It won't display anything. No else partner. Nothing. Next, using OR operator also, you can form compound conditions. Now observe, Shalini. First condition, is it true or false?
First one is false.
First one is false.
Sorry, first one is true.
First condition is true. Second condition.
Second is also true.
Mm,
Sorry, sir. Second one is false.
false. Second one is false. Here operation is or operation. If any one true, then it will then output will be true. Then what will happen if I run this program?
A is a big number.
Yes, A is a big number. A is a big number. Put mute. Next, fourth usage, decide among several alternates. Another name of the structure, a else if structure. Say, decide among several alternates. Else if. Say earlier we used two parts, first part, else part. Otherwise you can say true part, false part. This time several alternates. Say you can use number of alternates. For every else if, for every block, condition is mandatory. For every block, condition is mandatory except else. For every else if, condition required except else. See syntax. Varma, guess the syntax.
If condition,
Just a minute. Condition,
open curly braces, statements, close curly braces,
close curly braces,
else if, condition,
yes, condition. Next, statements.
else,
Again you can write one more alternate. See, like this you can write number of else if blocks. See,
else,
else. This else is optional other than
open curly braces,
above. Statements, close curly braces. See, this is the syntax. See example. Say my requirement is, observe the requirement. My requirement is verify the range of a number. See, verify the range of a number. Here conditions, if the number, this if is English if the number is in between 1 to 100, then display number is a small number. Observe the requirement and conditions. My requirement is verify the range of a number. This is requirement. Next, conditions. Next, another condition. This is primary on. Primary, secondary. Just a minute. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, if the number is in between 101 and 1000, then display, just a minute. Small number, medium number. Next, if the number is in between 1001 and 10,000, then display number is a big number. Otherwise means other than above conditions. Otherwise, display the number is so verify the range of a, suppose range of a value, numeric value only. Okay, if other than, then display the value is either 0 or negative value, either 0 or negative value. Just a minute. This is better. Value term is better. Swapna, guide me. This is my requirement. Understand the requirement and conditions. Madhavi, did you understand the requirement and conditions? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guide me. Then guide me. You know the syntax and requirement also. Syntax and requirement.
Sir, I will try.
Who is telling?
Swapna, sir.
Swapna. Just a minute. Swapna. Okay, Swapna. Just a minute. A equal to, this is val. Suppose just val. Val equal to, you can change the value, hard coded value only. You can read the value also, that we will discuss later. IO operations. Try Swapna.
Okay.
Fulfill the first condition.
If value, if the number is in between 1 to 100, then display number, right?
Yes.
So if value
in this else if structure, compound condition.
100.
Pardon?
If value is less than 100.
If val is
less than 100.
Less than 100. Less than 100 means 0 also less than 100, minus 10 also less than 100, na?
Okay.
Our condition is in between 1 to 100.
Yeah.
Less than 100 means here single condition is not suitable. Compound condition required.
Sorry, compound.
Compound condition required. Okay. Snehal, continue. Fulfill the first condition.
Val.
Sir,
Ah.
A is if A is greater
here not
than
A, if val
sorry, if value is greater than 1,
greater than 1, 1 also we need to consider 1 to 100, 1 and 100
greater
also
than or equal to 1,
greater than or equal to 1. Good. Greater than or equal to 1.
and value is less than or equal to 100.
Good.
What is the condition, sir? Then display the number. Okay.
Just a minute. It is showing error. Observe, Snehal. What is the problem? Oh.
Open to.
Okay. Then our output is display value is a small number. See.
Yeah. System dot out dot println.
Just a minute.
Value is small.
Good. Value is a small number. Okay. Close curly braces. Next.
If value.
Else if.
Else if, yeah. Else if.
Else if.
Value. Val. Greater than 1 or equal to 101.
Greater than 100 enough na? 100 already covered. Greater than 100 means 101.
Okay.
Here also you can write greater than 0. Okay. In first condition also greater than 0 you can write. Okay. Greater than or equal to 1 also okay. And
value less than or equal to 1000.
Less than or equal to 1000.
System open braces. System out dot println. Value is a medium number.
Good. Value is medium number. Close curly braces. Next.
Else if.
Again else if. Else if. Now.
Value greater than or equal to
1000. Greater than 1000 means 1001.
And value less than or equal to 10,000.
10,000. See, less than or equal to 10,000. Then big number.
Yeah.
Okay, na? Next.
Sir, like value is greater than or equal to 1000, right? Equal to, you didn't write equal to sign?
Where here?
Yeah.
Greater than 1000 means from 1001 na?
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I got it.
Okay. Next, other than above. Else part no condition.
Else system dot out dot println display value is either 0 or negative value.
Good.
So
just a minute. See, value is either 0 or negative value.
Sir, can we split this into two statements, sir? Like two system dot out dot println, like value is either 0 or can we include the condition like or?
For else part, no condition. Here else means other than above conditions.
Okay.
For else, no condition. Observe. As per this input, Shalini, what is the output? Observe the input. Input 10. What is the output?
Value is smaller number.
See, value is small number. Okay. Next. Say 150.
Value is medium number.
Medium number. Next. 1500.
Value is big number.
Big number. Next. 0.
Value is either 0 or negative.
Negative number. Next. Just a minute. Minus 100. See, same. Verma is satisfying all conditions na?
Yeah.
Okay. See, this is about else if structure. See, next, fifth usage. Fifth usage. Execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true. Execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true. Another name of the structure, nested if structure. Nested if. Tell me, Snehal, guess the syntax.
Sir, if condition statement, open curly braces, close curly braces.
Open curly braces, close curly braces.
Again, if.
Again, if, not statements. Again, if condition.
Open and close curly braces.
Open and close curly braces. Next, again, if, like this, you can write a number of conditions based on your requirement. Condition. Suppose 3 condition, open curly braces. Statements. Close curly braces. Example. Say int a equal to 100, b equal to 90, c equal to 70, d equal to 50. See, declaring and initializing variables. Next, first condition, if a greater than b, if a greater than b. Next, if a greater than c. Next, if a greater than d, open curly braces. Next, output display A is a big number. Observe first condition, Swapna. First condition is true or false?
True, sir.
Second condition?
True.
Third condition?
It's also true.
True.
So the output is A is a big number.
A is a big number. See, A is a big number. Suppose if any one condition, nothing. Why it is showing A is a big number? Observe, Snehal. Snehal, observe. Second condition is not true, na?
Yes, sir, it's not true.
Why it is showing incorrect output? Suppose B900. Think syntax wrong. Think in incorrect syntax. If A greater than B, just a minute. First condition true, second condition true, third condition true, fourth condition also true. A is a big number. First condition is true, second condition is false. Okay. Next, first condition true, second condition true, third condition false. Nothing. Nothing. Observe, Swapna. We used incorrect syntax. What is the syntax? Correct the syntax. If condition,
I don't know, sir.
Condition single curly braces.
single
Right?
curly braces, single curly braces. At the end, see, we opened 3 blocks. See, first, second, third. Close 3 blocks. 3 curly braces. Okay, this is the syntax. See, this is the syntax. Okay, na? See, same I used in this example. Same. See, open 1 curly brace, 2, 3. 3 condition, opened 3 curly braces. Next, after output, after statements, see, not only single statement, here you can write multiple statements. After normal statements, close 3 curly braces. If it is 3 if statements, close 3 curly braces. If it is 5 if statements, close 5 curly braces. Just a minute. At beginning also, nested condition. See. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, na Madhavi? Understand the syntax?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Say, now find the difference between compound condition and nested conditions, Nehal. Find the difference between compound condition and nested condition.
So in compound condition, if the first condition is true or false, then we get the results. But in nested condition, if the first if is true, it will loop into the second if. And if the second if is true, then only it will loop into the third if.
Say final conclusion, if all conditions are same, then it will execute. In compound also, if it is AND operator, if all conditions satisfy, then only it will execute now. Forget about OR operator, that is different. If it is AND operator, suppose three conditions, condition 1 and condition 2 and next three ifs. There is no difference actually, isn't it? In compound condition, it checks all conditions at a time, isn't it? If it is AND operator. Observe Snehal, if it is compound condition, what will happen? If it is AND operator, what will happen? It checks all conditions at a time now. If it is nested condition, it checks conditions one by one. Then what is the difference? Madhuri, try to understand the logic.
Sir, in compound condition, we only have one condition to satisfy. In nested, we can
not one condition. Compound condition, not one condition. Compound condition is not single condition. Observe. See here.
Yeah, two conditions.
Not only two conditions. You can write three conditions, four conditions also. Just a minute. Here, what is our requirement? If A greater than B, next A greater than C, next A greater than D, then display A is a big number. Isn't it? Now observe, first condition is true or false? True. Second condition true. Third condition true. Then it will display. It will execute statements. A is a big number. Next observe. First condition false. It won't execute. Nothing. Suppose first condition true, second condition false. It won't execute. Next. First condition true, second condition true, third condition false. It won't execute. If any one condition fails, it won't execute. Okay. See, I can display the same output using compound condition also instead of if. Just a minute. Instead of nested if. Instead of nested if. Say. And A greater than C and A greater than D. You can use multiple ands, no issue. Open curly braces. Now observe, first condition true, A greater than B true, second condition true, third condition true. It will execute A is a big number. Okay. Next, first condition false, it won't execute. Okay. Next, first condition true, second condition false, it won't execute. Next, first condition true, second condition true, third condition false. It won't execute. Now, observe. Did you find any difference between nested if and compound condition? Tell me, Snehal, yes or no?
Yes, sir. No difference.
No difference. Then why nested condition? What is the advantage of nested condition? You can use compound condition only, na? Then why nested condition?
Sir, in nested if, like when there is a block of more than one condition, then
more than one condition, okay. See, I achieved same output now using compound condition. See, only difference is if it is compound condition, you can write single else part. If it is nested condition, you can write multiple else parts. Observe here 3 conditions na. You can write 3 else parts. See more clarity. If it is a compound condition, you can write single else part. Got the point? Swapna, did you understand this concept? Difference between nested condition and compound condition?
Yeah, yes, sir.
What is the difference? Tell me.
Like for the compound conditions, all the conditions, it will be having only one else part. But
Yes.
whereas for nested, multiple else parts will be there.
Multiple else parts. Still confusion, Snehal? Madhavi?
Clear, sir.
Okay, cool. If you can write multiple else parts, more clarity. See difference between compound and nested conditions. See, if it is compound condition, we can write single else part only. For else no condition. If it is nested condition, we can write multiple else parts. Okay na Varma? Madhavi?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, another 6th usage. Last usage. Decide.
Yeah, but that nested condition, we didn't write part, right?
Pardon?
In nested conditions, we didn't write any multiple else part, right?
We didn't write. You write, take assignment. You can write multiple else parts. See, we opened 3 ifs. Oh. You can write maximum 3 else parts in that example. You take assignment and you write 3 else parts. If it is compound condition, single else part only.
Okay.
See, suppose if it is 4, suppose in a nested condition 4 ifs are there, you can write 4 else parts maximum, but not mandatory. Suppose 1 else part is enough, you leave it. Suppose 2 else parts required, write. 3 required, write. 4 required, write. Maximum 4. If it is 4 if statements. See, decide among several alternates. Already we discussed this structure using else if. This time switch statement. This switch structure inaugurated in order to reduce the complexity of else if. In order to reduce the complexity of else if, switch structure inaugurated. Observe the syntax. Switch expression. What is expression? I will show. Open curly braces. Next, case value. Next, statements. one or more. Next, case. Here for every case, break required. If case satisfies, then break. No need to execute remaining. So like this, you can write a number of cases. Next, at the end, default other than above. As like else. Close curly braces. Example. Say, suppose character data type char variable name grade equal to single quote a semicolon. Next, write switch structure switch. This grade just we initialized. Instead of initialization, you can read the grade. How to read that we will discuss in file and IO operations chapter. Switch here expression is grade. As per the grade, it has to choose the case. Just a minute. Next, case single quote value, suppose a colon. I used colon or the syntax. Yes, colon. Next, statements. One or more. Statements. Suppose if grade is A, any meaningful message. Excellent. Next, case B.
We have to give break.
Yes, break. Yes, I will give. Good. Mm. See, better. Next, other than above, default colon. Default colon. SYSO control space shortcut for output statement. Suppose invalid grade. Okay. Close curly braces. Now observe the input and tell me the output, Sindhu.
Yeah, answer is excellent.
Excellent. Run the program. Excellent. Next, grade B. Well done.
Well done.
Grade C. Better. Sindhu, can you view the output console?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose some Z
Invalid
not
grade.
invalid grade. Invalid grade. See, this is about switch case, switch structure. See, these are the different types of usage of conditional statements. See here, I explained conditional statements separately, and I'm going to explain loop statements separately. But in programming, you can mix them. You can use only conditions, or you can use only loops, or you can use conditions and loops. Within conditions, you can use loop statements and vice versa. Got this point, Madhavi? Say, observe. Java flow control. Java flow control statements. See here, basically two types. Conditional statements. Next, loop statements. See, first scenario, we can use conditional statements only in our programs. Observe, Madhavi. Next, second scenario, we can use loop statements only loops in our programs. Next, third scenario, tell me, Madhavi, third scenario. Swapna.
We can use conditional statement and the loop statement together.
Yes, together. See, we can use conditional statements and loop statements together. Before moving to next chapter, tell me, Shalini, usage of conditional statements. I think it is 6th chapter now. Usage of conditional statements. Java conditional statements. Tell me, Shalini. We discussed 6 types of usage. 6 types of usage. First one.
First one is execute a block of statement when condition is true.
Good. Second one.
Execute a block of statement when condition is true. Otherwise,
execute another block of statements.
Execute another block of statements.
Next, third usage.
Third, execute a block of statement when compound condition is true.
Next, fourth one.
Execute a block of statement when more than one condition is true.
That is nested if. Next, fifth one.
Decide among several alternatives.
Using else if structure. Next,
Yes,
last one.
Decide among several alternatives using switch statement.
Okay. Okay, Snehal. Next, 7th chapter, loop statements. Loop statements. Okay. Now tell me, Swapna, what is the purpose of loop statements? First purpose.
So like
Ah.
we can execute a block of statements.
We can execute block of statements.
Yeah, one is that one, and
we can execute block of statements using condition. Also, you can execute block of statements now.
Yeah, using condition.
But
yeah.
Loop is different. Okay, you tell me, Varma, purpose of loop statements in computer programming, not only in Java.
Sir, one more
execute
thing.
a group of statements several times, multiple times.
Yes, multiple times. Repetitive execution. Repetitive execution. That is the primary purpose. Anything else, Swapna? Is it?
No, sir, that is what I wanted to say.
Okay, cool. See, repetitive execution. Whenever we want to execute, a block of statements multiple times, then we use loop structures. See, there are 4 types of loop structures in Java. There are 4 types of loop structures in Java. Say, Sindhu, what are the 4 types?
For loop.
For loop. For loop.
While.
While loop.
Do while.
Yes. Do while loop. Next, 4th one. Okay, cool. Madhavi, continue, Madhavi.
Enhanced for loop.
Yes, enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop. See, our test automation point of view, first 3 loops important, 4th loop limited use or no use. Okay. See, first for loop. First description, next syntax, example. See the pattern: description, syntax example. What is the functionality of for loop? It repeats a block of statements for a specified number of times. It repeats a block of statements for a specified number of times. Number of times. Next, syntax. Observe the syntax for parenthesis start value next end value next increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. Open curly braces. Next statements. Close curly braces. Okay. Say example. Suppose my requirement is, observe Swapna, my requirement is print 1 to 10 numbers. Print 1 to 10 numbers. Swapna, print 1 to 10 numbers.
Yes, sir. So for I equal to 1, say,
here data type mandatory na.
Okay. For
int I.
Yeah.
Int I equal to 1.
1. And end value is 10, right? So
semicolon.
Yeah.
End value.
Int
multiple times not required. Only one time.
I equal to 10.
I equal to 10. I equal to 10 correct or not? Less than
10, right?
less than or equal 10. Okay. Semicolon. I plus plus. Good. I plus plus. Next, open curly braces. Next, output.
System dot println. Print
I first time okay. 1, second time 2 like that. Run the program. See printed now 1 to 10 numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. Shalini, I want to print 10 to 1 numbers or first 10 numbers in reverse order. Just a minute. My example, print 10 to 1 numbers. See first 10 numbers in reverse order. Change the logic.
I greater than or equal to 10.
First I equal to 10.
Yes, first I equal to 10. next I equal to I is greater than or equal to 10.
Greater than or equal to
10.
1. 10 to 1 range reverse. Next.
And I is increment.
I minus minus na?
Yes, sir. Minus 1.
Minus minus. 10. Next time minus 1. 9. 8.
9.
Like that. Run the program.
Yeah, 10 to 1.
10 to 1. See, reverse pattern. Next, Madhavi. My requirement is I want to print 1 to 10 numbers except fourth number. See, print 1 to 10 numbers except fourth number. Madhavi. Varma.
For int I is equal to
1 to 10 1 starting position. Next, end position less than or equal to 10.
10.
Increment also plus plus. Increment, not decrement. Okay, loop okay, but I don't want fourth. I want to print 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Here condition required now within loop.
Okay.
Condition required. See, if negative condition better. If not, I equal to 4. Just a minute. Any problem? If condition open to and close to. Just observe Swapna. If not, earlier we used not operator na. Just a minute. If I plus plus, if I, it is showing error. Observe Swapna. It is showing error.
I should be not equal to, right, sir?
Actually, int not required, I think. If I condition okay, open curly braces. Small problem is there. First for, next if. Earlier we used negative condition na. Where we used negative condition. Okay, at least it is not supporting positive condition also. Observe Shalini. I equal to 1. I plus plus. Okay, this I will show later. Some problem is there.
Because of that curly brace next to the for.
Next to the for curly brace.
We added.
That is required now.
Maybe it's not.
It is required. It is required.
I think double equal to 4.
Okay. Just a minute. Operator problem. Okay. Who told?
Sindhu.
What is this operator, Sindhu?
Not equal to.
Not equal to. Our requirement is print 1 to 10 numbers except 4. Observe, Madhavi. Output. Madhavi, observe the output. Output is correct or not?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay. Next, just a minute. Except 4th and 7th numbers. My output is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now tell me the logic, Swapna.
So same thing we have to include
Compound condition.
Yeah, and
just a minute. And
I not equal to 7.
I not equal to 7. Compound condition. Okay. Run the program. Observe, Swapna.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Correct. Okay. Say condition statement within loop. Next, while loop. Observe the syntax. First, description. It repeats a block of statements while condition is true. If we are in true position, it will repeat. Once you meet false position, it will come out from the loop. See, it repeats a block of statements while condition is true. That is description. Next, syntax. First, for while loop, initialization required. We need to initialize the variable. For loop, no initialization required. Why? We specify the range, so no initialization required. But in while we use condition, initialization required. See, initialization. Next, while condition next open curly braces statements next increment increment or decrement, close curly braces. This is the syntax. Next, same 3 examples. Say example 1, print 1 to 10 numbers. Next, example 2, print 10 to 1 numbers. Next, example 3, print every 10th number up to 100, means 10, 20, 30 like that. Next, last one, same. Condition. Print, just a minute, print 1 to 10 numbers except 4th and 7 numbers. Just a minute. Okay. Shalini, first fulfill the first requirement. Print 1 to 10 numbers using while loop.
First initialize I equal to
int data type mandatory. Int I equal to
10,
1.
And while condition.
Tell me the condition. I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. I less than or equal to
1.
10. Less than or equal to 1 means it will print 1 only, na?
Yes, sir. Less than or equal to 10. Open curly braces, statement, system out.
Okay. Next.
Increment. I
plus. Run the program. See, printed now 1 to 10 numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. See, first example. Next, Sindhu, fulfill the second requirement. Print 10 to 1 numbers using while loop.
I equal to 10.
I equal to 10. Initialization 10.
Initialize. Then greater than I condition. I greater than or equal to 10. Greater than or equal to 10 and
single condition enough. I greater than or equal to
100.
1. What is our requirement? Print 10 to 1 numbers.
Okay, sorry.
Next. I minus
then
minus.
I minus.
See, don't confuse. Put mute. Run the program. 10 to 1 na. Just a minute. Next, Verma, fulfill the third requirement. Print every 10th number up to 100.
Int I equal to 10.
I equal to 10.
I less than or equal to 100.
Good. I less than or equal to 100.
Same system.out.println I equal to I plus 10.
Not I equal to I plus 10. I equal to I plus 10.
You need to.
Okay. I equal to I plus 10. Yes, correct. I equal to I plus 10. Okay, correct. Run the program. Okay, na? Madhavi, fulfill the last requirement. Print 1 to 10 numbers except 4th and 7th numbers.
I is equal to 1.
1.
And I is equal to less than or equal to 10.
Less than or equal to 10.
And now we have to use a compound condition.
Yes, condition. The next line. Tell me the condition. I don't want to execute 4th and 7th records. Example. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, if I is equal to not equal to 4.
I
not equal to 4.
Not equal to 4.
And I not equal to 7.
See, and I not equal to 7. Open curly braces.
And
I
is equal to
not I equal to, just I
plus plus.
I plus plus. Run the program. Why it is 1, 2, 3 only. Observe Verma, any problem? I less than or equal to 10. Okay. Verma, observe the problem.
Yes, sir.
I think R should be.
Now it is R exemption.
R is only one, right?
Any one. And only. But why it is not executing? First I1. Check the condition. Run the program. It is showing only 1, 2. Just a minute. Just use one condition. I less than or equal to 10. Observe Verma, any problem? After checking the condition, Swapna, observe the problem. Oh, invalid. Just a minute. Orma, try to look at the problem.
Yes, sir. I'm looking.
Just a minute. See, hanged. Just a minute, is hanged. Say, I not equal to 7. Compound condition, negative condition. Both conditions are negative. Run. Okay na? Madhavi, 1, 2, 3, no 4, 5, 6, no 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes.
See, just this increment misplaced. Earlier we placed after 2 curly braces. See, after first curly brace. After first curly brace means condition over. Say, first curly braces, last curly brace. Second curly brace, this one. See, first close the condition, then increment. Close the condition, then increment. Earlier misplaced. Okay na, Varma?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, cool. Just a minute. Just a minute. Next, third loop, a do while loop. Do while loop. Say it repeats a block of statements while condition is true. It repeats a block of statements while condition is true. Observe the description, Sindhu. No difference between while and do while na, as per this description. Same. While it repeats a block of statements while condition is true. Do while also it repeats a block of statements while condition is true. But what is the specialty of do loop? Say
Do loop
it executes statements at least once irrespective of the condition. Okay na? If it is while loop, first checks the condition. If condition is true, then it will execute. But do loop, first execute the statement, execute statements, then check the condition. Find the difference.
Yes, sir.
See, it executes statements it executes statements at least once, irrespective of the condition. Irrespective of the condition. Okay, now Madhavi, find the difference between while loop and do while loop.
Yes.
What is the difference? Just a minute. Difference between while loop and do while loop. Tell me.
While loop, like block of statements, it repeats while condition is true.
Same. This one also.
And yeah, do while also same thing. But
see, while loop first while checks the condition if condition is true, then it will execute statements, isn't it? While loop first checks the condition. If condition is true, then it will execute the statements. Next, if it is while, do while.
Do while first execute the statement.
See, first executes. Do while first, just a minute. Do while first executes the statements, then it will check the condition. If condition is true, it will continue. Otherwise, if condition is true, it will continue. Otherwise, come out from the loop. Okay, na Shalini? Any confusion?
No, sir. I'm good.
Okay. Here first syntax for this while loop. Varma, guess the syntax. Already you know the while structure. Tell me the syntax for do while.
We need to initialize the
initialization mandatory. Initialization. Next.
Do.
Good. Do.
Then execute block of statements.
Open curly braces. Open curly braces. Statements. Every statement should end with semicolon. Next.
Think increment or decrement.
Good. Increment or decrement.
close curly braces.
Close curly braces.
Then while and condition.
In the same line you can write while and condition. While and condition. Here semicolon. Next example. Example. Suppose print 1 to 10 numbers. Print 1 to 10 numbers. Do just a minute. Do statements next increment or decrement. Do open curly braces. Okay na Sindhu, observe. Observe Sindhu.
Yes, sir.
See, initialization.
Yes,
Okay, good. Initialization, do open curly braces, statements increment or decrement, next close curly braces, while. Otherwise, you can write in next line. Okay. Run the program. Observe 1 to 10. See, condition is true. In this scenario, condition is true. Next, observe Shalini. Condition is true or false?
Condition is false.
False. Then what will happen if I run the program?
It will not execute.
It will?
It will not execute, sir.
What is the output?
It will execute until 10 and then stop executing.
Until 10. Condition is, first of all, condition is false. What is the I value? First value. I value 100 na? It will execute 100.
It will print 100.
100. Print 100.
Okay.
Observe Madhavi. Condition is false. But first it execute the statement, then check the condition na. Now observe. Suppose 11. What will happen? What is the output?
It will print 11.
Print 11 only. First it prints 11. See, I equal to 11. First it prints 11. After 11, increment. Then it will check the condition. Condition false. Then come out. Only 11. See, irrespective of the condition, at least it executes statements once. Any confusion, Swapna?
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay. See. See, last structure before the break. Last structure. Enhanced for loop. Actually, for our test automation point of view, first 3 loop structures enough. Just I will explain fourth one. Enhanced for loop. See, for first 3 loops, we use variables. For last loop, we use arrays. Array. See. Snehal, did you join? Snehal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have joined.
Okay, cool. Enhanced for loop. Say description, it executes all elements in an array. It executes all elements in an array. Syntax, array declaration, next for declaration colon expression or array open curly braces, next statements one or more, close curly braces. Example, you don't concentrate on array declaration that we will discuss in array chapter, just focus on enhanced for loop. See example, say I am going to declare one string type array, array of strings, array of integers, array of characters, array of boolean values, different types of arrays. Say I'm going to declare array of strings, string square brackets, string name, array name, languages equal to within curly braces C comma COBOL comma Java, like this, semicolon. Next, for declaration, I'm going to declare one string. It's not array, string lang colon array. Languages, open curly braces, next lang. Observe Snehal, what is the output?
Sir, C, COBOL and Java.
C, COBOL and Java. It displays all elements in array. See, C, COBOL, Java. Just a minute, I will show one more example. One more example. this time array of integers. Earlier we used array of strings. This time array of integers. Int square brackets. Suppose math operations, mathematical operations equal to, just I'm defining the size of array using new keyword, new int square brackets 3. Just size of array. Then we can initialize. You can assign values. Okay, next normal variables. Int a equal to 10, b equal to 20, next this one, math operations of 0, index 0, first element equal to a plus b, semicolon, next one, 2, a minus b, a multiply b. For int operation colon math operations, this is array open curly braces SYSO operation. Now tell me, Swapna, what is the output? It will execute all elements in an array. What is the output?
So it's performing addition. I mean, 30.
30 minus
30
10.
And 10.
30,
and then
30 minus 10, 200. Isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
See. 30 minus 10, 200. See, if you want meaningful message, just a minute. Addition of a comma b is concatenate plus sign what is the problem? Identify, Snehal. Oh, it is array of integers na. It won't take messages.
Yeah, you put in strings.
Only array of integer. Say first addition, subtraction, multiplication. Run. Okay. Okay, na Madhavi? Enhanced for loop.
Yes.
See, just a minute. Okay, you take 10 minutes break. After the break, we will continue. Say Next chapter. String handling in Java. String handling in Java. Small chapter. First, what is string? What is string? Can you tell me, Varma, what is string? You know what is integer, what is double, what is float, what is boolean, what is string? Swapna, you stop messages. Swapna. Tell me, Snehal.
Okay, sir.
Snehal, what is string?
Sir, it is it's like a bunch of characters which we write in double quotes.
Good. String is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. See, string is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. See, string may have alphabets, numbers, and special characters also. String may have alphabets, numbers, and special characters. Example. Oh, just a minute. Just print within double quotes Selenium testing. See only alphabets. Output Selenium testing. Next, one, two, three, Selenium. 1, 2, 3, Selenium. Next, Selenium star ampersand 1, 2, 3 testing. Run the program. Just a minute. Okay. Say Selenium testing. The first sentence only alphabets, next numbers and alphabets, next alphabet, special characters, numbers. Next, creating strings, creating strings. See, string is considered as object in Java. See, string is considered object in Java. Suppose in VB script, string is one data subtype, but in Java, string is object. See example, just a minute. String string name, square brackets, my tools equal to just a minute. First, just string my tool equal to Selenium semicolon. This is string variable. This declaration is string variable. Next, string square bracket my tools equal to curly braces UFT comma Selenium comma load runner close curly braces semicolon. This is tell me Snehal, this is first one string variable, second
Sir,
one
this is the array. First one was variable.
Array of strings.
Array of strings.
Array of strings. Array of strings. Next, print. My tool. Output Selenium. Next, print array. Print array. Using enhanced for loop, you can print for string. This is declaration. String tool. Any name you can use. Colon array. My tools. Open curly braces. See ASYSO control space tool. What will happen? It print array of strings. Array of strings. Run the program. Observe Sindhu. Printing na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Next, concatenating strings. Concatenating. Concatenating strings. What is the concatenation operator? Varma, concatenation operator.
Plus, sir.
Plus symbol. Good.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Declare strings. Suppose string str1 equal to Selenium semicolon string str2 equal to testing. Here if you use space it will print space also. Next, str1 plus str2 output Selenium testing. Next, syso control space. You can directly concatenate. How? Selenium testing. Selenium testing. Next, observe Madhavi. Print 1 plus 1 plus Selenium. 1 is not string. Tell me the output. Madhavi. It concatenates from left to right.
1 Selenium.
No. No. Shalini.
Selenium.
2 Selenium. Observe Madhavi. Say plus sign for two different usages. One is addition. Second one is concatenation. Here first left to right. Both are numbers na. Then it will add. Next, after addition, it is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Next, one number and one string. It concatenates. Two strings. It concatenates. Okay na? Suppose Selenium plus 1 plus 1. Now tell me, Madhavi.
Selenium 2?
No. See, first it adds two values. First 1 plus 1, both are numbers. 1 plus 1, it acts as plus sign, acts as addition operator. 1 plus 1, 2. Next 2 plus selenium, one number, one string. 2 plus selenium, 2 selenium. Next here, first expression. Selenium plus 1. What is selenium plus 1? Selenium is string, 1 is number. It concatenates na?
Selenium 1.
Selenium 1. Next it adds 1. No, selenium 1 is string, 1 is number. Then Soumya, Swapna.
Sir, I'm thinking selenium 1,
1. 1, good. Selenium 1, 1. Observe Madhavi, evaluation from left to right. First, it takes single operator. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, both are numbers. It adds 2. Next, 2 is one value. Selenium is one value. 2 is number, selenium is string. Then it will concatenate 2 selenium. In the second scenario, selenium plus 1. Selenium is string, 1 is number. Selenium 1. Next plus 1. Selenium 1 plus 1. Selenium 1 is string. String may have numbers. Selenium 1 is string plus 1. It concatenates. It concatenates only. Run the program. See selenium testing. 2 selenium. Selenium 1, 1. See 4 outputs. Any confusion, Snehal?
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay. First priority, addition or concatenation for plus sign? What is
addition?
Addition is first priority. Next, string comparison, important one. In our test automation, we use comparison. String comparison. String is object. We can apply methods on objects. Say, in 3 ways, we can compare strings. In 3 ways. First one, string comparison. String comparison using equal to operator. Equal to operator. Say in computer programming, just a minute. In computer programming, we have 2 types of comparison. One is 2-way comparison, another is 3-way comparison. 2-way comparison means true or false. 3-way comparison means greater than, less than, equal to. See, 3-way comparison, more clarity. 2-way comparison, 2-way, true or false. Suppose, do you have 100? Yes. Yes is true. No. False. Suppose I have 100. In 3-way comparison, I have 100. Equal to. I have more than 100. Greater than. I have less than 100. Less than. Okay, na Snehal? 2-way comparison, 3-way comparison. Varma?
Yeah, clear, sir. Got it.
Cool. Say it equal to operator supports two-way comparison. Two-way comparison. Two-way comparison means true or false. True or false. Next, a string comparison using equals method. String comparison using equals method symbol. Equals method. It is also same. It supports two-way comparison. Next, third one, string comparison using compare to method. Compare to. String comparison using compare to method. It supports three-way comparison. Three-way comparison. See, it supports three-way comparison. Three-way comparison. What are the built-in constants for three-way comparison? Zero greater than 1. Next, less than 1. See example. Just a minute. See string 1. String 1. Selenium. String 2. Selenium. str3. String 3. Selenium. Next, string 4. Okay. Next, first string comparison using equal to, that is relational operator. See string comparison using equal to. This equal to is a relational operator. See SYSO str1 equal to str2. What is the output, Sindhu? str1 equal to str2. Observe string 1 and string 2. Both are same or different? Swapna.
Yes, same.
Both are same.
Not same.
String 1, string 2. Both are same or different? Swapna.
Sir, they are different. False.
False. See, uppercase, lowercase. Next, string 1 equal to string 3 Sindhu.
True.
True.
So, yeah.
True. Run the program. See, false, true. Next, string comparison using equals method. See, string comparison using equals method. See, SYSO control space str1 string is object. Now you can apply available methods. Dot equals string 2. Tell me, Madhavi, string 1 equals to string 2.
True.
True. Is it true? Varma?
It's false, sir.
False. Next, string 2, string 1 dot equals, just a minute, string 2 dot equals, next, just a minute, string 1 equals string 3. Continue, Varma. String 1, string 3.
It's true, sir.
True. Run. False, true, false, true. False, true, false, true. Next, third one.
What is the difference, relation operator and equal method?
No difference. Both are both supports. Both are supporting this one. Two-way comparison only. Madhavi, no difference. See, equal to operator supports two-way comparison. Next, equals method also same. Just two possibilities. String comparison using compare to method. Compare to method. Say SYSO. See first one, string 1 str1 dot compare to string 2. Next, just a minute. String 2, string 1, string 3. Dot compare to. Next, string 1 dot compare to string 4. Both are negative na? Just a minute. Still negative. String 1 compare to string 4. Less than only. String 1, string 2. Small, big. Just a minute. String 1. String 2, string 1. Run the program. I think one equal required. String 1, string 3. Okay. Observe Swapna. First one in the last block. First one, string 1 compare to string 3. String 1 is Selenium. String 3 also Selenium. Both are equal. Then what is the output?
2.
2. Snehal. In three-way comparison, if both strings are equal, then 0. 0 na? 0. Both are equal.
Sir, can you explain again?
Just a minute. Here what I told. Just a minute. If string 1 equal to string 2, then result constant is 0. String 1 equal to string 2, then 0. Next, if string 1 greater than string 2, then tell me Snehal, string 1 greater than string 2.
Then it will take greater
positive
strings,
value.
How many digits are more, like 5 or?
Positive value greater than 1. If string 1 greater than string 2, then negative value less than 1. Earlier who asked this question?
Sir, Swapna.
Swapna. Observe Swapna. In the selected one, string 1, string 3, both are equal or different? This is string 1, this is string 3. Both are equal or different?
Both are equal.
Then what is the result?
0. Yeah.
0.
0.
0. Next, observe the second. String 2, string 1, string 2. First string 2. String 2, small selenium. String 1, capital selenium. Which one is bigger? String 2 or string 1?
String 1 is bigger.
String 1 is bigger. If string 1 is bigger, then what is the output?
1. Greater than 1.
Greater than 1 means positive value. Next, string 1, string 4. String 1, string 4. String 1, small capital selenium. String 2, Z selenium. Which one is bigger? String 1 or
like,
string 4?
It is Z selenium, right?
Z selenium. Which one is bigger?
How can I say which one?
How it compares based on ASCII values. See, capital S ASCII value is bigger or small Z ASCII value is bigger?
Capital is bigger.
See, ASCII values common for all programming and all computer programming languages. ASCII values. You must know the ASCII values. See, ANSI, American National Standard Institution. ANSI character codes. Capital A to Z, 65 to 90. Next, small a to Z, 97 to, these are fixed for all languages, not only Java. Next, 0 to 9. Snehal, 0 to 9. Varma, can you tell me 0 to 9 as ASCII values?
No idea, sir.
See, 48 to 57. Observe, Swapna, now tell me. Capital S, first it takes first letters from both the strings. If first letter is bigger in first string, then it declares first string is bigger. If first letters are same in both the strings, then it considers second letter. Second letter is also same, third letter, like that. Now tell me, string 1, compare string 1, string 4. Capital S, small z. Which one is bigger?
String 4 is bigger.
String 4 is bigger. Means, what is the result criteria? String 1 less
than 1.
Less than 1. Just a minute. Here, mistaken. Less than. What is the result constant?
Less than 1.
Less than 1 means actually it is a negative value, not 0. Negative value. This is a positive value. First one 0. Now observe Madhavi. See once again. First string 1, string 3. String 1 capital selenium. String 3 also capital selenium. Then what is the output? 0. Next, second one, string 2, string 1. String 2, small selenium. String 1, capital. Which one is bigger? String 2 or string 1?
String 2, sir.
String 2 is bigger. What is the output?
Yes. Positive.
Positive.
String 2 is bigger.
String 2 is bigger means what is the output?
Negative value.
Negative value.
Negative value.
Negative value. See, just a minute. Negative value. Next, last one. String 1, string 4. String 1, string 4.
String 4 is bigger.
String 4 is big. I think this one is negative value, na? String 2,
Yeah.
string 1. Okay. You are correct. String 2 bigger, na? Positive value. I'm confusing this one. Syntax. Here string 1, string 2 we used. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, na? Okay, this is positive value. Last one?
Negative value.
Negative value. Negative value. Run. See, 0, positive value, negative value. Okay, na, Swapna?
Sir, I did
How
not
do they
understand.
get like
32
minus 39?
Compiler. That depends on compiler. You need to remember positive or negative values.
Okay. We don't need to consider the numbers.
You don't need to bother about that value. You just check that value is negative value or positive value. Enough. Okay, na?
Okay.
See, string 1, string 2. Both are equal 0. String 1 is bigger positive. String 2 is bigger negative. See, in the first scenario, both are equal 0. In the second scenario, string 2 is bigger, means first one is bigger, positive. In second scenario, second one is bigger, negative. Okay, na Snehal, any confusion?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. See, two-way comparison, three-way comparison. Just a minute. Say some more operations are there on strings that we will discuss in built-in methods chapter. In that built-in methods chapter, once again I will explain operations on strings. At this point of time, these concepts are enough. See, what is string, creating strings, concatenating strings, comparing strings. See, some more methods also there. You can find length of string, etc. That I will explain in built-in methods chapter. Okay, next one, small chapter, last chapter for the day, Java arrays. Java arrays. See, Java array is an object. Java array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of a single data type. See, Java array is an object that holds fixed number of values of a single data type. Single data type. Suppose if it is VB script, you can use different data types also, but in Java, single data type only. If it is array of strings, you can assign array strings only. If it is array of integers, integers only. If it is array of characters, characters only. Okay. Next, the length of an array is established when the array is created. See, the length of an array is established when the array is created. When the array is created. Next, array length is fixed. Array length is fixed. Array length is fixed. Next, Java array has 0 based index. See, Java array has 0 based index. Starts from 0. Next, declaration of arrays. Declaration of arrays. Tell me, Snehal, how to declare arrays?
Sir, first say for example integer and the name
just a
and
minute.
then square brackets.
I will explain different methods. First method, int integer type, square brackets, semicolon. This is just creating array. Just creating array. Next, I want to define size. Here I didn't define a size. Define size. Just name required na. Int suppose ABC. Just creating array. I didn't define size and assign values. Next, define size ABC equal to new. This is object creation. New int square brackets 4. Size is 4. This is defining size. Creating array, defining size. Next, assigning value.
Why do we need to put new?
Pardon?
Why do we need to put new?
New is keyword, that is syntax. New is keyword, Java keyword for creating object.
Okay.
Next, third one, assigning values. How to assign values? ABC first index 0 equal to 10. Next, see only integer type. This is array of integers. Next, 1, 2, 3. Suppose 20, 30, 40. You no need to assign values to all elements, not mandatory. Suppose system dot out dot println of ABC of square brackets 0 ABC of 0 plus ABC of 2 semicolon. What is the output, Varma? Sindhu?
40.
Yes, 10, 30, 40. Just a minute. You can execute this one. See, this is about assigning value. Run. Okay, na Swapna?
Yes, sir.
Here I followed 3 steps. First, creating array, defining size, next assigning value. 3 steps.
Sir, I have a question. So, defining the size new into 4, right? So, where, like for what you're defining the size?
Size of array. Here, how many values values we assigned? 0, 1,
okay.
2, 3, 4 values na?
Okay. So if we give, say, for example, if we add one more array saying ABC of 4 equal to some value, it will throw error, right?
Just a minute. ABC square bracket 4 equal to 50. Run. Observe.
Okay.
Runtime error na?
Okay. Yeah.
Not syntax error, runtime error. Syntax error. It is not showing any syntax error. Runtime error. Okay, na? Any confusion? This is first step. First method. In this method, I followed 3 steps, Shalini. What are the 3 steps?
Sir, first one is creating array. Second one is defining size. And third one is assigning.
Assigning values. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, second method. Second method. Say int square brackets ABC equal to new is keyword for creating object, new int of new int square bracket new int square bracket 5 semicolon. Observe this statement. Creating array with size also. Next, assigning values, another statements. Suppose 0 equal to 10. This is assigning values. Next, ABC 1 equal to 20. Next, system dot out dot println of ABC of 0 plus ABC of 1. Here only 2 steps. Observe Madhavi. Observe. Here what is the size of array? Sindhu, size of array in this example.
5.
5. Say confidently. 5. But I assigned only 2 elements.
2.
Na?
Yes.
What is the meaning? See, it is showing correct output.
No.
Observe Swapna. Earlier we used extra element, runtime error. This time I didn't assign values to all elements. Not showing any error. What is the meaning?
That means we can assign up to 5 values.
We can assign up to 5, but assigning values to all elements not mandatory, isn't it?
Yeah.
But don't assign, but don't use extra elements more than size.
Okay.
This is second method. In this second method, only 2 steps. Tell me, Swapna, only 2 steps in this second method. What are the 2 steps?
Second method, 2 steps.
First method, 3 steps. Creating array, defining size, assigning value. In second method, 2 steps.
Okay. 2 steps are creating array with size.
With size. Next, second step.
And then second is assigning value.
Next, third method, only single step. Observe.
Sir, I have a question in second method, sir. So, in creating the array, in the first method, we have given int ABC square brackets, right? And in the second method, we declared as int square brackets ABC.
That is syntax. Syntax rules. Here first we have to use square brackets, then that array name.
Okay.
If you follow 3 steps, first array name, then square brackets. That is syntax rule.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Next, third method. Okay, cool. Third method, single step. Single step. What is a single step? Creating array with size and assigning values directly. See. Creating array with size and assigning values. Here not with size. Size depends on values. Size depends on values. Creating array and assigning values. What about size? Depends on number of values. Okay. See, int square brackets ABC equal to within curly braces 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 close curly braces over just a minute. System dot out dot println of ABC of 1 plus ABC of 3. Varma, what is the last statement output? Snehal.
Sir, it is 40.
1 means 20. First one 0. 3 means 40.
Oh, sorry. It's 20. So 60.
60. Just a minute. Semicolon. Just a minute. Oh. So what is the last statement output, Madhavi?
Int A is equal to ABC dot length.
What is the length of that ABC array? Length
5.
means size. 4.
4.
Run the program. Showing 5.
5. Okay.
5 only.
Yeah, 5, sir.
5 only.
Yeah, 5.
5 only. But 0 to 4.
Yeah.
Index 0 to 4. 0 to 4 means 5. See. Correct. 5. See, in this third method, only one step. Okay, na Sindhu? Creating arrays. I explained 3 methods na. In first method, 3 steps. What are the 3 steps? Creating array, defining size, assigning values. In second method, 2 steps. What are the 2 steps? Creating array with size, next assigning values. Next, in third method, single step. Creating array and assigning values. Size based on number of values. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes.
one more topic. Creating different types of strings. We just used integers, integer type. Creating different type of means data type, different type of arrays. Create different type of arrays. Earlier we used only array of integers. We can create different type of arrays. Array of strings, array of characters, array of integers, etc. See. I just follow third method. Char just a minute. ABC equal to only single character, single quote A, comma B, comma C. Just a minute. C, D, semicolon. Next, just a minute. This is array of characters. Next, int square brackets, int square brackets, xyz equal to square brackets, curly braces, 10, 20, 30, 40, like that. Next, string square brackets. You can use single letter also. That array name. Curly braces within double quotes. Selenium. UFT. Load runner. Close curly braces. Semicolon. Next, just a minute. Boolean square brackets C, suppose B equal to curly braces Boolean values true, false, false, true. Next, display. Just a minute. The second one is array of integers. Third one is array of Sindhu, array of
strings.
Array of
Yes.
strings. Last one, array of Boolean values. Just a minute. ABC square bracket 1. Next, XYZ 2. Next, A1. Next, B. Now Swapna, tell me the outputs. 4 outputs. What is the first output?
First one is B.
First one is capital B.
And second one is 30.
Second one is 30.
Third one is UFT.
First UFT. Next.
Fourth is false.
Fourth is?
False.
False. Run. See, B30 UFT false. B30 UFT false. See, this arrays chapter not completed, incomplete. We'll meet on next Saturday. Continue this arrays. Okay, we'll meet next Saturday. We'll meet on next Saturday, same time. Thank you.